I'll record it up until where you get stuck, and then I'll turn it off and come get you.
I'm gonna have to have help descending.
Dude, I did a good bit of welding today. You'd be proud of me.
Did you?
Yeah, I actually did some clean lines too.
You're gonna tell me how far my feet go.
I'm coming. Let me put my glove on. You in any sort of predicament right now that I need to hurry?
Not yet. Fixing to be.
About 4 feet.
Put your camera somewhere.
Yep, let me wedge myself somewhere.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm on the floor.
I had your one thumb. I was holding you.
Fucking Budweiser can down here, dude.
Damn. This fucking guy.
It's holding the rock up. No, give me the camera.
Worth it.
It's holding the rock up.
Yeah.